Hello everyone, welcome back to Junk Funk, and this is Sachi, and I know it's been very long I have posted any video, so here's one for you all. So I'm making over a wall to an accent wall, and this was totally on a budget because I did it myself, and I painted the wall, and I just used basic carpentry techniques of making the shelf and mounting it on the wall with some help from my husband. And it was actually on a very small budget of around 2000 rupees I have spent on this, even less I suppose. And that's it. So I think let's get started with this video. I don't want you all to wait much, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Let's get started. First of all, I just removed all the artwork which was already there and had some nails on the wall. I removed them also. Then to fill the holes of the nail, I used putty. I just made a paste with water, kind of a thick paste, and then applied it on the holes, and then I left it for some time, and then I did one more coat. After that second coat dried, I just sand it up to give it a finished feel. And after it dried up, then I took a rug, waste cloth, softer nature, and I just wiped off the wall. If there is any dust particle, it will get removed before I apply paint. So then I just sketched out what I wanted. So in my sketch, I just sketched out a wall, and I wanted an arch on that and some shelves like this. So basically, first of all, I just decided the size of my shelves considering the space in the room and around, and then I went to the place where I get the wood and got it cut. Then I just joined the shelves to each other and kept it aside. Then coming to the paint, so I chose this paint as olive green, which you can see behind me, and I'll show you the detailed images, and one more wall color, which was the background color. That is a bit of beigeish gray kind of, so that matched my already existing room. So whatever color palette you take, just keep it in mind, whatever the existing room you are using. If you are just doing one wall, it should match with the entire space, right? So that I did. Then after that, I just sketched the arch on the wall, keeping the width of the arch equal to the width of my shelf. Then I just drew it with a pencil. Then after that, I taped the arch from inside, and I painted my background color, which is a beigeish gray color. And after that was done, two coats. After that, I removed off the tape, the painter's tape. Then when the background paint was completely dried up, I applied the tape from outside the line of the arch, again in the form of the arch, and then I painted the olive green color inside that. Two coats that as well. After that dried up completely, the shelves I have already made, I just mounted them on wall, and I gave a small color touch to one of the shelves to mix the color palette. And then I had a lot of small things like plants, books, and some artworks. Whatever was lying around, I have not invested money on that, so I just arranged it, and I wasn't satisfied, so I kept arranging it. And I think this will go on. I'll keep shuffling it till I get some good things, and that is how my space looks. So here you go with the before and after. Satisfied with my work because this was my first time. So if you also haven't tried yet, give it a try, give it a go. take a small piece of wall. Don't worry, I know you'll succeed, because if I can do it, you can do it. And if you like such videos, hit like below, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I make those and how I keep all my plants alive, you can follow me on my Instagram account, Junk Funk. The link will be below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.